Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix connecting to Ultimate Team is not possible at the moment on EA FC 24. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. If you're trying to play FC 24 and keep experiencing this error message, getting kicked out of the game or unable to play, follow along with me for some steps to resolve this problem. The first thing I recommend is checking the server status of both the EA servers and the servers for the console you're playing on. To do this, head over to twitter.com or x.com and search for EA Help. Their latest tweets will inform you of any server issues. For example, you might see a tweet saying something like, "Hey guys, we are aware of some connectivity issues and we're looking into it. We'll keep you updated." If the servers are down or there's a problem, you just need to wait until the maintenance is complete and the servers are back up and running. If the servers are operational, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Sometimes the problem could be on your internet service provider's end, or your connection may not be stable, which can cause this error. If you've confirmed that the servers and your internet connection is fine, the next step is to restart the game. About 90% of the time, restarting the game fixes connection problems. If your restarting the game doesn't work, try restarting your console completely to see if that resolves the issue. At this point, I'd also recommend checking your EA account status. Ensure that your account is in good standing and that you don't have any suspensions or bans, as this could also cause the error to occur. If you've tried all the above and are still experiencing the error, the next step is to contact EA support for further assistance. You can go to help.ea.com. Select EA Sports FC24 from the list of the games and submit a ticket to request that EA look into your account and offer any available solutions. So that's pretty much it. That's how to fix connecting to Ultimate Team is not possible at the moment on EA FC 24. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.